felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs
I feel I am truly blessed. Talaga. Thank you, thank you. Kayo ang nagpapasko sa akin ng inyong presensya. At ako ay talagang inspired na makipagkita sa inyo. Nalulugod ako na ako ay nakarating dito, na maluwalhati. At ako ay umaasa na sa darating pang araw, ako ay makakabalik. At dahil gusto ko siyang tulungan sa kanyang ministry, dahil napakaganda. So, kahit hindi pa kami masyadong magkakilala, pero ika nga is, yung aming kaluluwa ay nagkita na sa heaven. So, amen to that. Clap your hands. So, hindi lang itong ang huli nating pagkikita. Medyo nalulungkot ako na kailangan kong umalis. Pero dahil malayo yung aking biyahe, at saka meron po akong bisita sa resort, and you're all welcome, you're all invited to come. Alam ko malayo, pero kung magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon, pwede nyong i-google siya, nasa YouTube siya, Philam Garden Resort. Tapos, nakasulat ako ng aklat. Ang pangalan niya is, I Ordered My Future Yesterday. So, yung meaning ng aking libro is, sa kabila ng ating kahirapan at sa kabila ng ating pinagdadaanan na challenges, na yung suffering natin, you can rise up above that if you believe in God. Kasi, thank you. Kasi God will take care of you. God will take care of your problems. Give it to Him. Kasi let Him, siya ang mamroblema, hindi kayo. So, learn, pag-aralan nyo yung acceptance, and then there's a way. Kasi meron kayong will. Kayo'y naniniwala kay Lord. Kasi yun ang buhay ko. Isa lang akong katulong, isa lang akong sadyang dumanas ng gutom, everything. Pero God has a plan in my life. So kahit anong balakin ko sa buhay ko, ay yung plano pa rin sa buhay ko ang nangyari. He planned my life. So nagplano ako, pero if I did not believe in Him, hindi mangyayari yung namit ko siya, si Pastor Mataro, and nandito ako, plano niya yun eh. Paano kami nagkita? Diba? So, maraming salamat. At yung inyong presensya, yung ginawa ko dito, talaga yun ang papasko ko sa sarili ko. So, ako ay very grateful to you. First of all, I'm grateful to the Lord, grateful to Pastor Mataro, and to all of you. So, praise be to God.
Amen. Amen.
Maraming salamat.
And then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you more to life than just how I feel. And all that